Hi guys, क्या हाल चाल? So guys, thank you for your support. We are about to reach 200 subscribers. So this is the second video of filtering where we will learn about date filters. If you have not viewed the previous video, I'll give it in the description box below and also the link of this particular workbook. So let's move ahead. So first of all, let's talk about date filters. I have enabled the filter in this list. It is a list of daily stock prices of four companies, that is Apple, this is Microsoft, this is Ford, and this is Procter and Gamble. So I want to apply date filters on all of them. So as you can see, the first column comprises of all the dates, daily dates. Okay. So if I click on this drop down, which is the filter button, you will see except of text filters or number filters, since this column contains dates, it is showing as date filters. Okay. So we'll talk about this later. First of all, we'll talk about the traditional filter. So for example, someone comes to you and says, give me the data of 2019. So you deselect all, you click on 2019, click on OK. You will get the data of 2019. So let's click Ctrl Z. Now suppose someone comes to you and says, I want the data of March 2019. So you deselect all. You see that there is a plus sign beside the 2019 checkbox. You just click on it. You will see that it will get segregated into all the months. You go and select March 2019. You will see that this will also get highlighted and March will get checked. Click on OK. You will see that all the data from March 2019 will be given to you. Let's move ahead. Let me give you more examples. Now, suppose you want only the month. Okay. Suppose you want to search a month. So you click this drop down menu beside the search button and select month from here. As you can see, from search all, it has changed to search month. So just type the month here. Suppose you want March month for every year. Okay. As you can see that it is showing select all search results. Yes, we want all the search results because we want the data of March month for all the years. You have to click OK. As you can see, the data of March month for all the years will be displayed to you. Okay. So now you can click on this drop down menu and search for a particular date. Like I want 25th date for all the years. Okay. Click on OK. You will get the data of 25th day of every month for every year. Okay. So now let's go to advanced ones. What are these date filters? As you can see, it gives us a lot of options as compared to number filters or text filters, because there are a lot of things that can be covered in date filters, like equals, before, after, between, tomorrow, today, yesterday. Suppose I want the data of the last week. I'll click on this last week. As you can see, last week there was no data, so it is not displaying any data. Okay. So let's see another one. Okay. Last month. As you can see, last month was July. So it is giving me all the data relating to July. So it is not showing data after 14th July because I have not gathered data beyond 14th July. Okay. I've used Python to extract this data. So I have not extracted data beyond 14th of July. So it is not showing me that. Okay. Okay. So now let me give you another example. Like you want the last quarter. Last quarter means from April to June. Okay. Here comes April to June. As you can see, this is April to June, 30th June. Okay. So let me give you another example. Okay. This year, you want the data of only this year. You can use this. It will give you data relating to 2020 only. Okay. So let's take another example. These are the two things you need to keep in mind. Year to date means starting from the first day of the year till today. If you click on this, it will give you data starting from 1st January 2020 to today. Okay, till date. Year to date means starting from the first day of the year till today. Since it is showing from 2nd of January because 1st January 2020 was not a trading day. That is why it is showing from 2nd of January. Okay. So this is another thing, all dates in the period. All dates in the period, suppose someone comes to you and says, give me the data of April for every year. Just click on all dates in the period and go to March. Or someone wants quarter 4 data, someone wants the January data. You go on January, it will give you the January data of all the years. Okay. So now you can also use the before. Okay. Before as in the dates that you want before a particular date. Like suppose you want dates before 01, suppose 2015. It will give me all the dates which are before 1st January 2015. Okay. As you can see, if we go down, the last date is 31st December 2014. Okay. So you can use this also. So you can use the custom filter also. Like for example, you want the date which is after suppose 1st of January 2017, but it is before 1st of January 2019. Okay, you go on. Okay, as you can see, the first date is 3rd of January 2017 because we 1st January and 2nd January were not a trading day, and the last date is 31st December 2018 because we had told it to give us all the dates before 1st January 2019. Okay, so we clear the filter. Yeah, now comes the tricky part. Now, suppose someone comes to you and says, I want the data of 31st March of each year. Okay, 31st March. Okay, you go on this filter button, you go on this and select date. Okay, I want 31st March. So you click on 31 and now you deselect all from here and go on clicking every 31st March that you come across. Suppose you have 20, 30 or 40 years, you will keep on doing this and it will never end. So there I have devised a particular way to do this. Just move along with me. Suppose someone comes to you and says, I want the 31st March data. Okay, so how you are going to do it? I have devised a way for it. First of all, you press Ctrl F. It will open the Find dialog box. You write 31st March over here. Okay, click on Find All. Then press Ctrl A. It will select all the observations and click on Close. Then press this fill handle to color them, to color the cell. As you can see, all the 31st March data will be highlighted. Okay, as you can see, the yellow boxes coming across. Now go on this filter button and click on filter by color. Since we had colored all the cells with 31st March, so we can use the filter by color option. Since there are only two colors in this box, in this column, that is yellow and no fill, so you click on yellow. As you can see, all the 31st March data will be displayed to you. This is a very cool trick, and if you know anything else beside this, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay,